Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, guess where we are right now? So as you can see, we are at Hong Kong International Airport, and I'm so excited because this is the very first time that we have traveled internationally post-pandemic. So we have so many things to do today. I'm going to share to you everything that we can, from food, shopping, lifestyle here in Hong Kong. Perhaps I'll be doing a separate playlist on our Hong Kong travel. So guys, hope you enjoy our adventure for today. Hi guys, Ron here, Looking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one, guys. Help me reach my 4,000 subbies. Also, kindly like and share this video. And follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Ramirify2, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Yay! So we have just landed at Hong Kong International Airport. I'm so happy to be back here. The last time that we've been here, I think that was 2016 or 2017. They still have a very beautiful airport over here. When we have landed, the temperature is 15 degrees. Now let us go to our hotel. Alright, so now we are at Tsim Sha Tsui near our hotel, and we are just checking out our neighborhood, and we haven't had our lunch yet, so we are checking what we can find here. We love to eat good Hong Kong meal for our first lunch of the day, so we have found this amazing place over here. Hi guys, here is our first meal of the day. So I think it's around 3 or 4 p.m. So we were a little bit challenged in finding our hotel, but we've made it. So now we are just checking out our neighborhood, and now this looks so delicious. Let's dig in. After our late lunch, since our hotel is near the Victoria Harbour, we have decided to check it out as well. So here we could find the Hong Kong Museum of Modern Art. This is the famous Peninsula Hotel, so just showing you what we could find here. And of course, just a quick OOTD. So I was wearing my Louis Vuitton Alma PM. It's her first international tour. Hi guys, so time check, it's now 5 p.m. Our first day here in Hong Kong, and we are at I'm not sure if this is Victoria's Harbour, so I'm not sure if we are going to wait for the light show to happen, but this is the very famous harbour here in Hong Kong. The temperature here is around 14 to 15 degrees centigrade, but it gets colder because of, you know, the gushing wind. What a lovely and beautiful space that we have here. This is still within the Victoria Harbour, so they have Legoland at the K11 Musea. How cute is this panda made entirely of Lego? Also, this huge boy made entirely of Lego. How amazing is this one? So guys, for our Hong Kong vlog, so we are going to do some touristy stuffs like this. But of course guys, kindly stay tuned because there would be lots of shopping vlogs, lots of luxury shopping vlogs. Definitely, you would not want to miss it out. Here are some scenes at the Victoria Harbour. Now let us go to the K11 Musea Mall at the Victoria Harbour. So they have very huge and amazing luxury shops. So here at the facade they have Alexander McQueen greeting us, and right beside it they would have Loewe as well. But let us check out first the window display here at Alexander McQueen. Are you guys a fan? Definitely for ready-to-wear pieces, I am such a huge fan of the Alexander McQueen line. Also some of their custom jewelries I really love. And guys, also on a side note, the K11 Musea, I feel this is like the best mall that I've been to in my entire life. Later you're going to see it doesn't actually, well, it actually looks like a mall in Paris. I feel that I was transported in Paris. Like everything inside the mall is like museum worthy. I am so in love with this place. So here we have Loewe. So just checking out the very beautiful, is this the flamenco bag? Kindly comment down below if I'm getting that right. So I was just testing on the first day whether I could do a shopping vlog instantly, but of course I hesitated a little bit. That's why I was just checking the window displays first. Then here we have Versace. Then here is what the K11 Musea looks like. Let's go there. Wow! Oh my god! Amazing! Inside the K11 Museum Mall, they have sculptures like this. So I'm going to show more because we are going to return to this mall on our very last day. We would have more adventure inside, but right now we are just currently checking luxury stores. So they do have Chloe, they have ready to wear, they also have bags, very beautiful woody bags and other beautiful bags from the brand. They also have Saint Laurent or YSL. So just checking, very beautiful eye candies. They also have Balenciaga right across the store. Some beautiful eye candies for you. So we have YSL bags, we have YSL footwear over here. Then I checked out Mulberry. So this one is 10,800 Hong Kong US dollars. Then we have these very beautiful bags from Andrea Hidmark. So that is the price, 1,980 Hong Kong dollars. So Yen was actually loving this one when he first saw this. He immediately wanted to get this one. So as mentioned earlier, across the entire K11 Musea, they have very interesting displays and works of art like this in combination with the fashion pieces that you could locate and see at the entirety of the mall. How beautiful this bag is. So this is the designer. Then this one, so we went inside the store. So I believe this is a Hong Kong brand. So that is the price, 5,200 HKD for this medium to large bag. As you know, guys, I am such a huge fan of top handle bag, and this one definitely looks really luxurious. So the SA mentioned, if I'm not mistaken, that this Hong Kong contemporary brand, the bags are made in Italy.
4,300.
So these are like the smaller East-West version. What do you think? I think the price of this one is around 3,000 HKD, but don't quote me on that one. The K11 Musea has a Chanel. Unfortunately, they only have shoes for this one. But since, you know, we don't have Chanel here in the Philippines, I would want to check it out as well. So just checking the window displays. We have very beautiful classic Chanel footwear. More Loewe eye candies. I think this one is jade. Still inside the K11 Musea, so we went inside COS, so that is the price. And guys, I was so surprised that COS is already selling lambskin genuine leather bags. I was so tempted. Then let us check out Hannah. Hannah is like a luxury reseller here in Hong Kong. They have many branches scattered the entirety of the island. They do sell only brand new bags. So like for example, this Fendi bag for 7,800 HKD. The best part is, since they are a reseller, sometimes they would have sales like this. So this is a raffia Fendi Sunshine Tote Bag, 7,800. So they have in more colors in same price of 7,800 HKD. Then they have the Montresor bag for 8,800. Loving the colorway of this one, if I'm not mistaken. This is also made of raffia. Then of course they do have Bottega Veneta bag. The price of this one is 9,900 HKD. More Bottega bags. So it looks like a bucket bag. Price is 9,900 Hong Kong dollars. So this is what it looks like. So they have in color black and in color like a bottle or bottle green colorway. Then they have this very beautiful by the way bag for 9,900 HKD. To be honest, I was also considering this bag when I have seen it on our first day. They have it in this like grayish beige colorway of the same price. So guys, what do you think of the by the way bag of Fendi? Do you love it or not? Kindly comment down below. They also have this bag, 15,150, the Fendigraphy bag. So they're just putting in plastic to make sure that if you purchase, you're purchasing it in a brand new condition. So more by the way bag of the same price as earlier. They also have this very beautiful Fendi Peekaboo. So honestly, when I have initially seen Hannah 2016, 2017, they are selling pre-loved bags. But right now, everything that they are selling are just brand new bags. So this one, they have Gucci, Gucci canvas. I feel this one is a little bit expensive. Hi guys, I forgot to film the outro. Please stay tuned for more Hong Kong vlogs. Day 2, we will go luxury shopping at Citygate outlets. Massive shopping vlog with prices. Plus we have 2 to 3 more outlet shopping. Hong Kong has 3 outlet malls and I can't wait to share them all. Make sure you turn on the notification and subscribe to our channel. Also guys, before we leave, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam by clicking this cute little icon here so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and I would see you soon on our part 2. See ya! Bye!